Hi there. As you may have already noticed, I haven't posted a lot of videos this month. So through this video, I wanted to bring you up to speed by informing you about what I had been up to. So पिछले 3 हफ्तों से I was creating my website. The website is ready. I got the website for free. If you would like to know how I built this website for free, that is without paying a single rupee, make sure to subscribe because I'll make a video about it and that video will be up in a couple of days only. In this video, I wanted to tell you what can you expect from the website. Right now, if you go to the website, you will find quizzes that are based on lessons that I have covered here on the channel and also on the website, such as the difference between here, hair, and air, and also the difference between lose, loss, and loose, and many sentence completion quizzes. And as soon as you have finished the quiz, you will get a score along with feedback on what you got right and what you got wrong. On the website, you will find written versions of many of the videos that you can already find on this channel in case you want a text version of those lessons. Also, if you like the daily use sentence videos that you see on this channel, and if you wanted a text version of it, you will find all the sentences written down on the website, and more sentences are already in the works. And you will find those daily use sentence videos in Hindi, also in Bengali, because apart from English, I speak Hindi and Bengali. For now, my goal is to upload at least one post every single day to the website, and based on my current plans, I should have the most important grammar topics covered on my website and also the channel in the next 1 year or so. I would request you to check out the website and also give me feedback because I want to tailor the website as per your requirements. And I can't do that if I don't know what your requirements are and what you feel I can improve. You can go to the website by opening any browser that you want, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, anything, and going to this URL. Alternatively, you can just check the description of this video. Thank you so much for listening to me these past few minutes. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.